By now, even if you're not in the tech space, you've probably heard everyone talking about using ChatGPT, whether it's to help them do their math homework or to help them think of ideas for an essay for their English class. And it's not surprising because ChatGPT is actually such an incredible tool to use. In recent findings, it was actually crazy because ChatGPT was able to pass a Google L3 interview. Now, a Google L3 interview is actually pretty insane because these engineers make over $183,000. And thus, so many people are scared that ChatGPT can take away the jobs of many people in the workforce. It has even gotten Google on its feet by creating their own version of Google search using AI called Bard because Microsoft has invested so much money into using ChatGPT for its Bing search. So with these facts, you know it's such a powerful tool and it's something that you want to take advantage of early, and now is the best time in order to hop onto the ChatGPT/AI train. So even if you come here knowing nothing about ChatGPT and AI, I'm going to teach you the necessary steps in order for you to start making money with ChatGPT. If you don't know what ChatGPT is basically a chatbot that's powered with this really powerful optimized language learning model that was created by OpenAI. And this chatbot has a ton of different information in its database that it can use to answer any of your questions. You can think of it as a chatbot that can help you solve a multitude of problems, and also someone that can most definitely help you make passive income online. There's actually quite a dozen ways to make money with ChatGPT online. You probably have seen some of the videos of people talking about making money through creating a Chrome extension or even a money-making web tool online. But after watching these, you may have been too confused about the technologies that are used or understanding where to start with this in order to make that specific money-making web tool. However, I wanted to show you guys a really cool and easy way to make money with ChatGPT online, even if you're completely new to ChatGPT, which many of us are. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube automation channel. This means that the YouTube channel will be completely powered by AI, meaning you don't need to think of the content, you don't need to appear in the video, and you also don't need to do a voiceover using your voice. You won't need to do a single thing except use the AI tools that I have outlined in this video for you to make these YouTube videos. With these YouTube videos, you can get monetized with something called AdSense. So here's how it works. YouTube basically puts ads in the beginning of the video, in the middle of the video, and many times in the end of the video for a video, and advertisers pay YouTube for that. And basically YouTube gives the channel makers or the maker of the video money based on the ad. And this money is in the form of passive income because all you have to do is post your video once and it will continuously ramp up revenue because YouTube is continuously putting ads on that video. How much do these YouTube automation channels even make? Is it even worth, you may ask? Take a look here. This person made over $250,000 just from creating these YouTube automation videos based on Elon Musk news. They didn't even have to use their face or their voiceover in these videos. So with this, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to create a YouTube automation video with just AI tools, all the way from creating the script to editing the video to putting captions to doing the voiceover. And by the way, all of this is for free. Okay, to start off, you actually need your computer and Wi-Fi and you can start using ChatGPT. Here's how it works. In order to get to that part, you need to make an account on OpenAI. Once you make that account, you'll be able to go directly to chat.openai and you'll be able to start using ChatGPT. You'll have access to everything that comes with it. Now that we have that set up, we can continue to the next part. So for this next part, you need to go to YouTube and find a channel or a video on a specific topic that really interests you. You want to look for a video that doesn't show face and possibly explains a concept that you want to hear or that you think the audience wants to hear. For instance, I'm going to find this video that talks about how much you should sleep. After this, you're going to click on the buttons in the bottom right of the video in order to get to the transcript for the video. This is basically the whole script for the video, but in text form, and it even shows the timestamps that comes with it. You may leave the timestamps in, but I choose to leave the timestamps off for this next part. And by the way, you actually don't need a YouTube video for this. You can find anything, including a short book or a blog post. All you need to do is have enough text so that ChatGPT can summarize it. After you have your transcript, I want you to copy the whole thing and go to ChatGPT. Now, this is where the genius comes in. All you need to do is type in summarize this and paste the transcript that you have. You can see that ChatGPT actually creates a really miniature version of this transcript. Now, since ChatGPT is a really smart chatbot with a natural language processing tool, you can actually ask questions referencing the stuff that you've asked previously. So in this case, I want this video that I'm taking to have more than just a few sentences. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to make this summary with 5 paragraphs and a minimum of 500 words. And boom, there you go. ChatGPT just made your new video with 5 paragraphs and a summary of a topic that you're really interested in. Make sure to save this as this will be important later on. And next, we're gonna ask ChatGPT to pretend that it's creating a presentation and to give us some scene ideas for each of the 5 paragraphs. And bam, there you go. ChatGPT just gave you 5 different scenes for you to use to make your next video. Now, how do we actually use these scenes? Well, let me tell you. So we're gonna use our next AI tool, and it's called DALL-E AI, or you can use something called Stable Diffusion Web or also Night Cafe. All of these AI tools are essentially doing the same thing. They basically allow you to turn whatever text that you input into an AI generated art piece. They are all for free and you can make a free account with them without having to pay. However, for this demonstration, I'm going to use DALL-E AI because DALL-E is also backed by OpenAI. So you don't have to make a new account and you can actually use your OpenAI account that you created for ChatGPT for DALL-E AI. So what I want you to do is go to DALL-E AI and log into that account. Now, here's where everything comes in. Since we have these descriptive scenes that ChatGPT has created for us, what we're gonna do is for each of the scenes, we're gonna find our most favorite idea or our most favorite description of the scene. Basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that, we're gonna copy it, and we're gonna paste that in DALL-E.ai. And basically, you're gonna ask for it to have digital art. After that, you can click create, and as you can see, it creates a few different options for you for the text that you wanted. You can pick your favorite digital art out of the 4 that are given and save it to your personal collection or create collections for each video that you're going to make. Now, you need to do this with all of the scenes because we're trying to make this whole video with 5 different scenes. We're currently using 5, but if you want more art and if you want more visuals in your video, you can add more scenes to it. Now, we can finally start making the video. Now, you may ask, how do I actually create a video? I've never created a video before. It seems very daunting. Let me show you step by step how to do it. There's actually an AI that allows you to create not only just the voiceover for your transcript, but also your whole video. It's called Descript. This app has a free plan, but you may want to create the premium plan if you want to create more videos in the future. This app is a super powerful AI tool that lets you create any type of voiceover you want for the transcript that you give it, and it also lets you create the video on top of it. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to Descript, you're gonna make a account on your script, and you're gonna download it. Once you downloaded it, you can see that you can create a new project. We're gonna title this project, How Much Sleep Do You Need? And make this into a YouTube video. So next, we're going to copy over the 5 paragraphs that we had before that we created with ChatGPT, paste it over to a transcript on Descript, and you can choose the type of voiceover that you want. For this demonstration, I'm just gonna use Dan because it's the first one given to us. And as you can see, this is how Dan's voice sounds.
Sleep is a crucial aspect of our lives, and it is a vital component of our physical and mental well-being, despite the fact that we spend a considerable portion of our life.
Now that the whole video already has a voiceover on it, we want to create the visuals. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna take the pictures that you've gotten from DALL-E AI and you're gonna import them into Descript. Once you import them, you can change the image a little bit and basically make it expand to the whole screen. You can do a lot of other things with it, but we're gonna keep it very simple for now. Next, we're gonna add captions because it not only entices the viewer to continue watching, it helps them understand the video better. And the beautiful part is you can do this directly in Descript. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to captions and you're gonna click on captions and see how it gives captions for you. We're gonna make this caption a little bit better by adding a border to make it more clear and shadows to make it really pop out. Now after this, I want you to take the rest of the pictures that you created with the different scenes and paste it just on top, just like I did with this first scene. And after you finish that, you can export the video and have it be uploaded to YouTube. Now there's one more thing that we actually missed. So a lot of viewers like some subtle background music when they're watching videos. And the problem is a lot of songs are copyrighted. So you can't just pick a random song out there and put it into your video. What you have to do is you have to pay for Epidemic Sound or go to some other license-free background music app and try to get it there. But we can do this directly for free with AI. So the next tool that we're gonna use is Ava.ai. So with Ava.ai, you can actually create your own custom sounds. So what you can do is you can select the sound that you want to make and it will create different versions of the sounds for you. And now you have the video, the voiceover, the captions, and the sound. You can put this together to make your YouTube video. Once you have your YouTube video, if you don't have a YouTube account yet, what I want you to do is make a YouTube account, and it's super simple to just upload your video directly. Now for the description and everything, you can base it off of the descriptions that other people have, or you can just ask ChatGPT to make a YouTube description for you, like so. And finally, for the thumbnail, the best way to create a thumbnail is with Canva. It's also for free. So you can go to Canva and you can just basically paste in a few of the pictures from your video and give it a title, and bam, you have your thumbnail, you have your video, you can directly post it into YouTube. And boom, there you go. You have your first YouTube video. Continue doing this maybe once a week, maybe twice a week. It's super simple to do, just like how I described it to you. And once you have about 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subs, you can start monetizing with YouTube. YouTube is a slow game, but consistency matters so much. If you don't see growth in the beginning, just continue posting and continue posting. And over time, YouTube prioritizes videos that have, consistency, YouTube channels that have been posting for a while, and you're gonna see growth over time. There you go, you created your whole YouTube automation channel. It's super easy to do, and I hope that with this video, you start making those videos, or you just learn something new about ChatGPT. For more ways to make money with ChatGPT, make sure to check out my other videos, and also make sure to subscribe to help keep this channel running, because I want to teach you guys as much as I can about how to make money online. And also comment if there's any really cool ways that you know how to make money with ChatGPT and AI tools. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.